The National Electrical Code does not explicitly prohibit the use of side bracket boxes at ceiling fixture locations. National Electrical Code Article 314.23 states that ceiling fixture outlets must be supported by a box securely fastened to the framing members of the building. National Electrical Code Article 410.16 B requires that a box be installed where the support of a fixture is achieved by a hanger bar, strap, or other approved means. While side bracket boxes are generally acceptable for ceiling fixture support, it's important to consider some factors. Firstly, side bracket boxes provide less lateral support than hanger bars or crossbars. Secondly, hanger bars provide greater support for heavier fixtures, especially in applications where the ceiling surface may vibrate or move. Thirdly, setting a side bracket box at the correct depth for drywall may require more care than with a hanger bar. Fourthly, side bracket boxes must be spaced at least 12 inches apart to provide adequate support for the fixture. When deciding between side bracket boxes and hanger bars, consider these recommendations. Use hanger bars or crossbars for heavy fixtures or ceiling applications with potential movement. Use side bracket boxes for lighter fixtures in stable ceiling environments. Secure the side bracket box securely to the framing members. Install the side bracket box at the correct depth for drywall. Space the side bracket boxes at least 12 inches apart. In conclusion, while side bracket boxes are not explicitly prohibited by the National Electrical Code, hanger bars or crossbars are generally preferred for ceiling fixture support due to the greater strength and stability. However, side bracket boxes may be acceptable for lighter fixtures in stable ceiling environments if installed properly.